How to turn off backup using cellular on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off backup using cellular on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in top. Click on it and here you will find settings. Click on it and then click chats and scroll down until you find the chat backup and click on it, and here just scroll down again, and as you see here you will find it. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, one click, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.